What's going on, everyone? It's your boy Flawless STI back with you with another vlog. Today we got a very special, by reading the title, I guess you know what it is, but very special day since it's my fiance's birthday coming up real soon. Thought I might as well, since I could have one, might as well give everyone. Right now I'm gonna just pull her car in. It's gonna be all a surprise. She doesn't know what's going on. Nothing. So now she's at work and I about to put it on for her. So when she comes out of work, we'll get a little reaction out of it. Hopefully. If she doesn't get mad. I mean, I don't think she'll get mad, but whatever. So I'm gonna give you guys a little like fast tutorial video and a reaction from her. But for right now, let's get to the unboxing. Let me open this up.
2 hours later.
So here's literally everything they give you. The exhaust tips, the mid pipe, the wide pipe. They give you all the hardware too. Let me put the bag up. There it is. And some stickers. Hardware, gaskets, bolts, everything you need. Here comes Juan. Came back up. Right, sir. By the way, we got his coils in, alignment done. It's still to settle in a little more.
What?
The gay boy Juan.
Two-step? Two-step?
No, not two-step. My parents are up.
They like the two-step, what you mean?
But yeah, he has a nameless. Oh, you guys seen in my first vlog what he has. She has my old one. Just a resonant muffler. And like I said, we can put. Shut up! Like I said, we're gonna put the Invidia one on right now. The quad tip, 3-inch all the way down. Later on, we'll get her a downpipe. For now, baby, when you watch this, you better love me for this, fucker.
I bring Mexican food.
Alright, first things first. You gotta take.
Mario Kart.
Get out of the car. You gotta take.
Or Super Smash Bros.
This one,
Man, I wonder if Billy actually got a ticket.
That one,
because you know how I posted on
this is the downpipe.
his story? Didn't he
This
say he
is the
bought
mid
one?
pipe.
No, he says he fucking forgot.
And down there should
Oh,
be.
like, if anyone got the plug on tickets, I was like, what the fuck?
I think that's only 2 bolts. Oh, there one. There's 4 more over
I
there.
didn't fucking hook this.
Anyways,
You should weld the backing back on.
this is how the tips look. Got the burnt tips.
Rice!
Burnt tips, not the ghetto ass.
Did you put them in the rice cooker?
Dude,
Driver's
that rice
side.
cooker though.
That rice cooker, bro,
White
comes
pipe,
out
white
real nice
pipe.
and blue. You can't even see that color.
Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again.
He's like, it's brown.
The brown tips. No. Alright, so we finished. Everything's done. Just kidding. I'm gonna put the pipes on. But yeah.
Man,
Look at that.
start it up like that. I want to hear it. Open header. I mean, open down pipe.
It sound like yours, huh?
Dude. Is that a Tommy though? Oh shit, it's hella blurry. Zoom in, zoom in. Oh yeah. Invidia, sponsor me. Hey, if I get a sponsor from Invidia, I'll put that shit on. I don't care.
Yeah, well.
Hey, but for reals though, Invidia, Stage 1 Plus, stock as fuck.
ETS.
Oh damn, that's hella bigger than stock. Ooh, must be nice.
Better exhaust than Hector.
Damn.
Like this.
Oh god, PG-13. Cut.
Baby, you owe me some.
What's inside the exhaust? Like
Semen. Burnt semen.
burnt semen. 91. How's it gonna sound? Is that two-step? You don't.
Sounds like a two-step.
You don't
But you don't. Yeah, you don't even have a cob. Fucking ricer.
I don't need a cock.
fucking ricer.
6.5 hours later.
Dude, it backfired. I missed it.
It's not even on.
No.
Oh, it's
Dude,
backfired again.
chingue su madre, it smells.
What smell?
I don't hear anything.
I was just kidding.
Want me to check it?
Them, bro?
Want me to check them?
Huh?
Want me to check them or they're good? Wait, let it warm up first.
Did you even torque them, bro?
Turn on your tail lights though. Turn the headlights on. Yee. What are we in the 2000s?
I know, bro. LED swap that shit.
LED swap gang.
Juan, bro, Juan. Hit your alarm real quick. Turn that shit on, bro. Turn that shit on.
Turn that shit on. Turn it on.
Turn it on.
I was like, do it, Gio, do it.
He's not doing it.
Unlock it. Unlock.
Oh, bro, you're
Bro,
so weak, bro.
sorry, dog. Oh my god, epic fail.
Never mind. Give me a second, we got it.
Turn. Yeah, dude, turn it on real quick. You don't even have to turn it on, just turn on the headlights.
Alright, we're doing the official Invidia sticker. Happy birthday, babe. Fucker.
It's your birthday?
Well, not yet. Well,
Ah!
okay.
You are so sorry.
That looks good, right?
That looks pretty good, actually. No air bubbles.
Maybe a little
Make sure
crooked.
you press on it this time. With the rag. Use the rag.
Don't pull the Xavier, dude.
No, that was all Hector.
I fixed it and you guys fucking...
No, Hector.
That was not even me.
It took him like 30 minutes, he fixed it, and then Xavier comes in and fucks it up again.
No. No, he puts the sticker on. Instead of freaking pressing on every single letter down, he barely taps it on there.
I know, and it
Oh
just
my
fucking
god.
rips the sticker up. That's why everyone's sticker's fucked up, except for mine and his. Oh, see?
It's good. It's good in there.
See, it matches the oil slick.
Because it is oil slick too.
I know, but you... Oh my god.
You sorry, dog.
Babe, sorry, but this is for video purposes only.
This is it's in an enclosed area.
And
We in Mexico. Where the Sajo's at.
we in Mexico.
You shot me?
Oh, there go the ringlets.
It's so quiet.
It is hella cool.
Yeah. You want to hear my exhaust?
Yeah, this is how it used to sound.
Do you
Go.
shit? Oh, you
Turn
yeah,
on.
you take video.
It's the same shit, he just has 4 tips.
Wait, I gotta warm it up though.
That's why, cold start.
It's not even cold.
It's not even. Yeah, exactly. You don't gotta warm it up either.
And you dating that princess. That's how it used to sound.
Mine is
You guys are-
way louder.
And then just keep recording. No, keep recording because you can just cut it out.
Mine is way louder.
It sounds like trumpets.
Neighbor better come back outside right now, like, lawnmowers? Who's mowing the lawn? Who's mowing the lawn?
Alright, well, babe, YouTube viewers, there you go. A little quick, not even an install video. Damn, my hair. What the fuck's going
Fucking
on?
rice.
What the fuck's going on my fro right now?
Hey, you wanna listen to a really loud car? Go back to the first vlog.
But yeah,
Who got beat by a 240?
damn, oh yeah.
Well, it was an open header 240, it sounded like shit.
So does
That was
yours.
cool though.
Yours sounds like shit too. No, I'm just kidding.
Oh, alright. I can't wait to hear my car in this video now.
Damn, but yeah.
I hope he doesn't watch the video.
Happy birthday, babe. Early birthday, I guess. Because not even your birthday yet, but you're gonna see it anyways. Sounds like a fucking lawnmower, but you know, it's cool. It's cool. There you go. There you go, a little fucking quad tip that you still want. You always wanted.
It looks really nice now with the quad tip.
I know. Damn.
Way better than that.
Chinga su madre.
Oh, shows that bullfrog.
That sounds like the Evo.
Oh, it stinks too.
There you go, babe. Happy birthday. Say happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Hey, what's that for?
God damn, bro. Nasty.
So, right now, the exhaust is done. No leaks, no nothing. Everything's pretty good. And now I'm gonna go get her some in and out because she's about to go to lunch. And we're about to go surprise her. So, I'll catch you guys at in and out. Got my in and out. Now time to go surprise her. Her lunch is in like 10 minutes. So we'll see what the reaction we're gonna get right now. So we're out here in front of Amazon. If you can see that. See? Amazon. And I'm just waiting for her. She's supposed to be getting on lunch in 1 more minute. Like literally in between both. Like not in the first row, like the one by the bushes.
You're in the back row?
Yeah.
I don't want to eat in and out of my car.
Still come over here.
I'm coming. I just don't know where you're at.
You see, I see you from here. You see it?
You see me, you mean?
Yeah, do you see your car?
Yeah?
I'm right there.
Oh, I see your dumbass. Just kidding.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
What? Hi.
Did you lower my car?
No, I did not lower your car. Why would I lower your car?
You put side skirts?
No. Hold on. Oh, my bad. What?
What did you do?
I don't know. Figure it out.
Put side skirts on?
What side skirts? There's no side skirts. Try to figure it out. Let me just follow you.
I don't like the way you're like smiling.
Keep going.
Keep going?
I don't know. Figure it out.
Oh, you got me new pipes! Is it sound different or is it just the tips that are different?
Hold it.
I want to do it then.
Alright, then go.
Where's my keys?
Inside. In the ignition. Don't stall.
Is it in first?
No.
You got me in
Invidia?
Invidia?
Yeah.
What? You got the quad tips too?
Come look.
Huh?
Look at this.
What? 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 Oh, my sticker? That's what you got me?
Yeah.
Aw, baby, thank you.
So there you have it, guys. She was happy with their birthday present. Catch you guys tomorrow.